At Pacific eMotion, we specialize in integrating telepresence robots in factories and assembly plants so that remotely located departments like engineering, QA, service, and sales can access assembly areas and personnel. Perhaps you've seen these telepresence robots on TV. Basically, they are video screens with two-way communication and wheels, so they can be driven around remotely via a Wi-Fi connection. They are being promoted as a tool for telecommuting employees, giving them an on-site presence at their cubicle or office while working from home, or to help homebound students to attend and participate in class. Hospitals are using telepresence robots so that doctors can visit patients without having to go to the hospital. We at Pacific eMotion have a greater vision. We believe there's a need in most companies to improve communication between the knowledge base, engineering, and remote factories that are building the products that were designed by these engineers. The telepresence robot is a great tool to teleport engineers into the factory so they can see how the machines are being built and to interact with the key personnel who are making the products a reality, ultimately speeding up time to market and problem resolution. There is new technology that's capable of teleporting a person into that site without them having to leave their office.
Proceeding to B. Crazy way to travel, spreading a man's molecules all over the universe.
Dr. McCoy is right. It is crazy to spread people's molecules all over the universe. That's why we suggest allowing Pacific eMotion to demonstrate their telepresence robot to virtually put your engineer onto the factory floor. In 5 minutes, an engineer at his desk can log onto our robot that is stationed on the factory floor, pilot it to the area of the factory they need to see, interact with the assembly management and personnel, make observations about how a product is being built, and solve a problem or transfer knowledge to the people who are building the product. Pacific eMotion offers several telepresence robot solutions to fit any budget. All are under $7,500. Our proprietary BPS building positioning system permits easy piloting of the robot through the factory. Object avoidance sensors prevent collisions, and the video feed and simple controls allow for safe and effective operation. The built-in laser pointer on the robot greatly improves interaction with the factory personnel, allowing the engine to draw the attention of the operators directly at the area of concern. So there's no misunderstanding about which bolt needs to meet a torque spec, wire needs a better crimp to prevent an intermittent ground.